Namaskar, dear CA members. Greetings from Pune branch of WRC of ICI. I hope you are keeping safe and healthy in these pandemic times. Friends, all of you would agree that small and medium CA firms play a critical role in nation building process. But it is noticed that many of our CA firms are not registered as MSME under MSME Act 2006. As you are aware, 27th June is celebrated as International SMP Day. So we thought at Pune ICI, why not to celebrate International SMP Day in an unique manner? This year, we are launching a video and a help desk for registering your CA firm under MSME. Well, the process is very simply explained in this 5 minutes video. In first part, CA Maheshwar Marathe would explain us benefits of registering CA firm under MSME, and in the latter part of the video, screen is being played to give you step-by-step details of registration of your CA firm as MSME. I hope you and your firm would participate in this drive and register your firm as MSME on Udyog Aadhaar website. Once again, my best wishes to each one of you on the occasion of International SMP Day. Please let us know your feedback and suggestion about this drive.
Yes. Hello, friends. This is Maheshwar Marathe. In fact, a really great initiative by Pune ICAI, and I am here to give a brief about whatever is this drive is all about. In fact, we as chartered accountants, we are service providers, and we are very much MSME as per the definition of MSMED Act. I am here just to tell you our dual role that we are going to play. We as MSME, we should first register. We will have multiple benefits of it. The main three things, if I have to mention, one, the main registration benefit of being MSME is the credit period. That for any sale that as an MSME I am doing, I should get my payment from my debtor within 45 days. This is the biggest benefit of being an MSME. It is practically getting implemented nowadays, at least last 3-4 years, that there is a lot of awareness about this. Second most important benefit of being an MSME is about bank funding schemes. In the sense, MSME is classified as a priority sector. Banks have targets to fund all these MSMEs. In fact, banks and governments try to help all MSMEs because they are like backbone of any economy. So second important benefit of being an MSME is lot of bank related funding schemes. And third, and maybe the last prominent feature of or the benefit of being MSME is the subsidies that the government gives for the state government as well as the central government that is offering to MSMEs, again to strengthen them. So if I have to conclude in one word, being an MSME is very important from national viewpoint, and we should be registered so that we have a first-hand information and experience of getting registered. Secondly, we play a major role in guiding our clients to register as MSME, and if we ourselves are registered, we have that hands-on experience of getting registering our firm. We can guide in a better way to our clients also. So here I would like to give you 3 websites which are again very important for us as practitioners. You can please note them. First is the Udyog Aadhaar registration website itself. Udyog Aadhaar is the MSME registration, that is the one and only registration. So udyogaadhaar.gov.in is the first and foremost important website which I have to follow for registering as MSME. Second important website which we as professionals should refer is samadhan.msme.gov.in. As I mentioned, the first important benefit of being MSME is the credit period, and any dispute that has to be resolved between you and your debtor is through this particular website only. It is made online in last 1 year. So samadhan.msme.gov.in is the second prominent website which we should refer. And third, and a recent website which is launched by Government of India, is a one-stop solution for all MSME related problems, facilities, subsidies, and that is champions.gov.in. So my request to all fellow chartered accountants, my friends, use all these online facilities, get yourself registered as MSME, and play that important role of spreading the awareness amongst our MSME clients, friends, societies, and take the movement forward. Wish you all the best. Wish you happy CA day also in advance. Thank you.